Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Caviar app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your password on the Caviar app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Caviar app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Manage Account. Then towards the middle, click on Change Your Password. So once you click that, enter your old password, your new password, and then confirm your new password, and then click on Change My Password. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your password on the Caviar app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.